How to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do a connection between Klaviyo and Squarespace. The process is going to be very easy and simple. Basically, we do not have a direct connection between Klaviyo and Squarespace. So if you're going to search on the integration of those two platforms, you're not going to find the integration or the extension of Klaviyo in Squarespace or Squarespace in Klaviyo. For example, I'm going to type in Klaviyo, it's not going to show up. So the same thing is going on to head over the integration on Klaviyo. So here we can go ahead and have a platform called Zapier, which is going to create some zaps or some automations and workflows that will allow you to set up here this parameter or this type of connection. It is not going to be a direct connection, but it is going to be an indirect and also very effective connection. Why? Maybe you're going to ask that. So you can go ahead and click on create zaps. I'm going to let you see here how we can set up the connection between the two platforms. Click on zaps and then we're going to have, for example, the trigger. We are going to type in here the trigger, which is going to be Squarespace. So we are going to have them as Squarespace forms. So if we have a Squarespace form submitted, because the Klaviyo platform is going to be a email marketing campaign platform. So if you do not know what is it, and Squarespace is going to have the Squarespace form, and maybe you're going to make it as a store. So the Squarespace form, which is going to be integrated within the product descriptions, you can go ahead and put them as or set the trigger for them. For example, you can go ahead and new form submission. You can go ahead and choose that. You're going to connect your Squarespace account. So this is going to be the thing right there. I'm going to show you here. It is going to demand the website key API, which is going to be cited here. So you can go ahead and head over here. You can go ahead and type in API, for example, like that. Developer integrate, like something like that. So not this one, but the developer tools. So we are going to have the API key from here. You can go ahead and have the thing right there, product, inventory, and etc. like that. So you can go ahead and basically add a name for it. So this is a key. You're going to copy the key, head over here, put your API key. So this is going to be the thing that you're going to do right there. And after that, you're going to set up the action, which is going to be on Klaviyo. So we are going to put that apart. Here it is going to be connected. Now the action is going to be from Klaviyo, like that. We're going to type in Klaviyo. So you're going to choose the event. For example, you can go ahead and add an event, create list, for example, create a profile. So basically we're going to create a profile from the form because it is going to have the name, the full name of the client, the email address, and then we can go ahead and create some campaigns within Klaviyo. Then do not forget to set up also the account and maybe the API key if demanded. I think that it is going to demand only an account like that. So we are going to click on the allow. So, and it is going to be right there. So here we have set up everything. So you can go ahead and enter the values for the mapping. This is going to be for you right there. Then you're going to test it out. So you can go and test everything out. And if everything is going to be smooth, it is going to be okay. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.